What's up, Wallet Monkeys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna do a 2023 update here in Q1 for Digital Credit Union, or DCU. DCU is a big one on the channel and in the community. It's just one of those banks, just like Navy Fed, where it just works out that a ton of people are constantly, actively getting new cards, trying out new loan products and things like that. And then we kind of piece that together and make, more detailed videos like this. So there is a few updates that I wanna talk about that we've added to the page. You can just go on over to walletmonkey.io, come over here to guides, definitive guide to Digital Credit Union DCU right here, and there it is. All right, so what has changed? Really, we just got some additional data points. So, people are constantly calling in and trying to figure out what's the max exposure, how many cards can I get, can I double dip? Things like that, right? So we've covered most of this in other videos on the channel. I'm actually gonna make a dedicated DCU playlist, so you can check those out. But the changes that I've added here is that we found out from multiple reps that the max exposure on credit cards is $100,000. And the max amount of cards that you can have is 2 cards. So you do the math on that, a 25K card and a 75K card, 90, 10, whatever it is. So $100,000 max exposure is actually really, really good. That's higher than Navy Fed. So that's insane. And what else do we got here? Hard pulls last 45 days, can pull a loan product and a credit product on the same hard pull, AKA double dip. Yeah, we've talked about that before. What score do they pull from is still in debate, whether it is it seems to be one of two. It's either a FICO 4 Equifax, so here's the other 4, or it's a Equifax FICO 5 mortgage. So I'm not really sure which one, but basically it's been claimed that they pull either one or both, not both, but they will pull either one based on people's different profiles. So again, that's up for contention. I don't really think that's a big deal at all. Then there's also the pre-qualification or pre-approval up to $10,000, which you see right here on the screen. This apparently, if you do qualify, you'll see it quarterly. So this we've shown in the past, and somebody actually executed on this, and it does work. Basically, they will soft pull pre-approve you at various different times during the fiscal quarters. And if you are pre-approved for this, then you'll see literally this message. You're pre-approved for up to $10,000. Accept the offer, they'll give the APR. And again, we've talked about the difference in color on the buttons. We've talked about all that in previous videos. And then lastly, I just wanted to touch on this again, but there is a secured loan or a quick loan option that they give you within DCU, and you qualify within 90 days for $1,000 and 180 days for $2,000. It's pretty similar to the pledge loan with Navy Fed. You can use it similar to that, and we break all that down on the site. And also too, in this video here, we break everything down, you see, in great detail. So, I mean, you've got everything that you need to be successful with DCU on the site here. And then obviously those are the recent changes that we've come across and updates that we've got for you. We'll probably shoot a video later on in the year or as things change. So that's it. If there's intel or data that we've missed, or you wanna add your credit data points in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. We can go ahead and add it to the site. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hey, you should subscribe. 60% of you are not subscribed yet. Right there. Okay, bye.